Making a butterfly weft for weaving. This is the working end of the thread. So we take it around the little finger and the thumb in a figure of 8. 2, 3. When you think that you've wound on enough yarn, cut the end, and now this is going to tie this bundle around the centre. So we push this behind all of the threads that are around the fingers, and then around here and back again. And now we take this through the loop, and that's the first knot. Now we want a second knot. We go round and through again, and knot. We now have a butterfly weft, and this is the working end, and we can pull out the length we need very easily. When weaving a narrow band with a butterfly of weft, you do not require a shuttle or a beater. So let's change the shed, and what I do now is I put my fingers into the shed and lift the top and bottom to tighten the previous weft into place, and I can adjust it now to make sure that the edges are even. I now put the weft through this empty shed, adjust, and then I beat by doing the next shed, which is lowering the heddle, putting my fingers in and pulling top and bottom, and then inserting the new weft. So in this way I can weave without having to use a shuttle or a beater. There we go. Adjust, so down, adjust the top and bottom of the shed, take the weft through, adjust again, and the edges are nice and even. Now the butterfly is designed so that you can pull the weft out as much as you need, but also it does not come undone if it is left to dangle. So try weaving this way for a change.